Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Grammarly AI to improve your writing. So let's get started. First, open the document you want to improve. Over here, look for the green Grammarly icon at the bottom right of your text editor. Then click on the icon to open the Grammarly interface. After that, Grammarly will start analyzing your text and show suggestions on the right hand side. You'll see underlined words or phrases in your text. Click on each suggestion to view explanations and more details. Then simply click to accept the suggestion and Grammarly will fix it automatically. For more features, click on the Grammarly AI option. Over here, you can ask it to reformulate sentences or generate content ideas. Then choose the suggestions you like and add them to your text. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.